I want to move into AI without the overwhelm. Now, it looks like we just turned a corner like AI. What are we talking about? We've been talking about traps and talking about, the way we create value. We've been talking about so many different dynamics, why businesses stall. We're talking about seven figures, all these things. But unless you've been living under a rock, everybody knows something about AI. You've been hearing AI, right? And the problem is we're overwhelmed with so much information about AI. And that AI is the solution, but AI is also the threat. AI is helping everyone. AI is hurting everyone too. There's so much opportunity with AI, and there's so much danger. So it's a two-edged sword. So the reason we spent so much time, one of the reasons of the foundation of understand our proper fit, who we are, how we think, where we're at, what trap we're in, all these different things, is if you don't get those foundational things, knowing what you're trying to do, why you're trying to do it, what's a fit for you, AI is just going to speed up the problem for you. So I want you to really see that. So AI needs to be a helper to the thing you should be doing. It's not a replacement. AI can't come in and replace your problem, your issue, and just solve it all for you. If AI is a helper, you gotta know what you need help with. Does that make sense? If you're not clear who you are, where your strengths are, where the weaknesses are, what you do naturally, what you don't, where you're trapped, what your pathway to seven figures is, what good is AI? Right? Because you're just going to go into the next AI thing. And you're going to be having, you can create an AI superhero and be flying over Instagram, but you're not going to make no money. That's cute, but you're not going to make no money, right? AI didn't help you, right? So we have to be really clear. AI doesn't build businesses. It helps good businesses move faster. So what we must first do, based on this statement, what must we first do if we want AI to help us? Become a what? A good business. So I want you to understand that the foundation, the fabric, the DNA doesn't change. AI just speeds things up, but what car are we driving, right? What vehicle are we in? This is very, very important. Just do me a favor, because we're really trying to grow the channel here. Make sure you like and share and subscribe if you like the content that we're doing here at URCO. I really would appreciate that. So, AI doesn't turn losers into winners, but winners. So we should be thinking about, how do we win? What is the winning game plan? What's the winning playbook that I'm going to use? And if I have that, AI can help me actually turn that into a championship. I'm already winning though, because I know where I'm at. I know where I need help. I know how I create value. I know how to my path to seven figures. I know exactly what I'm trying to get done. And you're going to learn some things throughout this mastermind. It's going to give you more armor. But if you don't understand that is the mindset you should have, AI just helps you get faster into nowhere. What AI can do to help? Well, it can write emails faster. It can organize ideas. It can improve customer follow-up for sure. And it can save time on a whole bunch of administrative work. Things that used to take days, months, and so forth, done in seconds. So AI can definitely help with these things. But what AI can't do, y'all still write? Y'all writing stuff down? Okay. Write emails faster. Organize ideas. Improve customer follow-up, and it can save time on admin work. I said that super slow. You all should be good. This is for your work, but what AI cannot help you with? It can't decide your direction. That's why we say you are a CEO, because you actually make the decision of what you do next. We have to own that I have to decide that direction. It can't, if you're going to start trying to do something that you shouldn't be doing and then say, let's use AI, you back into having the wrong address. AI can't fix a broken model. If you got the wrong model that's not a fit for who you are, what you do, your problem's not clear, you're trying to do something that doesn't make sense to your customer, and then you use AI to speed that up, it's not going to help. AI cannot replace good leadership. Can't do it. And believe it or not, leadership can't be done without good followership. So I have to know, what do I need to follow to become a better leader so that then AI can follow me instead of me following AI. If I don't get that, I'm just using a more aggressive machine to drive my own business into the ground. This is why we have to understand what this is all for.
You are a CEO. You are a CEO.